I'm Jamie White, I'm the Managing Director, I'm John's grandson as well, so grandson of the founder.
So my name is Ricki and I'm the Operations Director here at Exactaform Cutting Tools, and I've been with the company for just over 5 years.
Mostly my role is trying to keep out of the way, because people don't want me interfering. That's quite a challenge. Yeah, really great diverse role, working with a whole bunch of different people.
I'm responsible for the facility from an operational perspective, as well as HR and health and safety.
I've been coming to Exactaform since I was very young, probably 4 or 5 years old, so it's much more fundamental to me than just a job or a career. It's a family business. What I like most about working here is we're an SME. We're able to be very positively disruptive to the market. We're able to challenge the status quo, and it's great working with a team of people that are all aligned in doing that.
I see Exactaform as an entity, as a growing business. I don't think of it as a place that I come to work. I think of it as a sort of a project venture. It's grown over the last number of years, and we've got a lot more growing to do.